today we're going to do some quick analysis from some Google Analytics data that we pulled in using Coefficient add-on. If you do not have the Coefficient add-on, you can find it by going Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then you can search for Coefficient in the add-on store. Once you have it installed, you can link it to your Google Analytics account and pull in your data into Google Sheets. So we have some data here. We're going to run some quick analytics on it. So first of all, we're going to calculate our average time on page. And so we're just going to simply divide time on page by page views, and then we're going to let that autofill. So now we have our average time spent on page per page view. And then let's also use the Coefficient add-on to help us build some pivot tables to be able to analyze our data better. So go ahead and open the sidebar, and then we'll click over here on GPT Copilot and Pivot Builder. Then we can select our data. So we'll select this. We'll go ahead and delete this end reference. So we'll select the whole data set. Then we can describe the data that we want to see in our pivot table. So for example, we can start by grouping by year, month, and then we want to see pivot table across the top. So let's just say pivot by page title. And then let's just on this one see page views. We'll do some page views and then click build. We'll click insert on new sheet. And then here we can see that breakdown. So here's our total page views by the page for each month. So we can build a quick chart for this. We'll just select this data here, insert chart, and there we go. We have a quick chart. We can see that our landing page views have been increasing. So we can go ahead and move this down. We'll leave that there for now, and let's go ahead and build some more reports. So let's go ahead and grab our data set again. And this time, let's look at what our top performing and worst performing pages are overall. And so here, let's go ahead and group by page title. And then let's do sum of page views, sum of time on page, and average of average time on page. And then let's go ahead and rank this by average time on page. So we'll do order by average time on page descending. So we can see which pages have the most time spent. Let's go ahead and click build. Let's go ahead and insert this on our pivot. Let's just add it over here and insert. And then we scroll over, we can see here is our page views, time on page, and average time on page. You can see this is ranked in descending order. We could reduce that decimal point to make this a little easier to parse. Maybe leave 1 on there. And you can see there is our average time on page, our total time on page, and our page views. So this gives us our best performing, which is our product page, and the worst performing, which is about us. Check out our other videos for more ways that you can use Coefficient to streamline your business processes.